Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn about counter programming, how we can place a counter in Omron PLC CP1E model. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our CX programmer and here we will create a new program. So this file we save as a any name, for example counter program counter counter. I will write counter pro and click enter. So this program name is ready, and first we will take a one input address, for example i0.0. so I click just only i0.0. so and next we will take a one counter. Go to the details and find instruction, and here timer and counter. Here you can see this the all counters and timers will be available. I choose first this one CNT counter and click it OK. And here we will give the counter number. For example, I give the C0, and next value we will give, for example 10 value H10. I will type for this counter 10 values after my contact needs to be changed. So after next we will take one done bit of the counter C0, for example, and next we will operate a one output which is 100.0 an example. Any comments also you can change this one, motor or what or relay, what would you like to be right. This is, you can see this is the comment also, this motor comment you like to be changed. This is relay, so it will be replaced as a relay. It's depend on your choice. So this small project I will download to the PLC, and he is still this line is red, so because there is some error, we have to be check this error. What's the error? This we not put for reset of this timer. For example, when value comes completed, after how we will reset this counter. So I0.1 I will put for this reset to the counter. So this line will be completed as after this red line will be finished. So think about your program is now okay. And again, if you like to be compile this program, so you can check the compile. Here you can compile. You can see here is the zero error, zero warning. So our program is ready. So now this is also this if you like to be change this one, uh, it's okay. This what name this comment, if you like to be change, you can change the comment. Go to this, sorry, this stop first, and after you will change the comment. This is stop. This you can write it here reset. So this is reset your counter. So next again click it on this icon to ready for PLC, and here you can click for download and click OK, and your program is successfully downloaded to the PLC. So next our program is in stop mode, so we have to make it in run mode. Click it here for run mode. Now our program is now in the run mode. Now you can see this value is now at the counter. We put 10. We decide 10 value when completed. This can be a signal from the field, any sensor, or one means conveyor running upside have some bottles or whatever. This one, when this I0.0 sensor will be sense the product, after this will be completed and after your output motor relay, what's this will be needs to on and off. As I get the signal at I0.0, one signal, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and as it's completed the 10, your output will be on. So C0 is now on. That's when you design this counter in your program, after you can design by your own way. This can be a sensor, this can be any whatever this is. The signal of output can be a push button, can be a sensor, whatever. And after you like to be reset when, after you have to be q 100.5. Oh sorry, this we make the wrong. Here we have to be put any sensor. This is we put output address q 100.0. This is we have to be change this one. We will stop the program. We will stop the program, and this reset value we will change one only, just sorry, not change this one. We will delete, and again we will put this one here. One just type after or I0.0 will be placed. And if this contact you like to be change this one, stop. So this we will write here reset, right. Now our I0.1 will be make reset to our counter. So again download to the PLC, click it OK, again click it OK, and program is successfully downloaded. So make this one, and counter value in hexa 0 will not change the value. We have to be put the value here, because of this is this value we gonna delete. This 10 value is okay. Now I0.1 we make the reset. Now again I give the signal at I0.0. Can see that value is now decreasing. This counter will be run into back condition. That hexa can see 7, 6. As any completed the one counting, after your output will be on. Now it will be maybe signal coming, but it will be not work. Your one time your relay will be on, after this will be not work. But as when you give the signal at I0.1, after your counter will be go to reset condition. Again if your product will become, after this will be counts completed, and how much counts you put at this counter, after this will be on. So this is the easiest method to the use of counter in Omron PLC. Hope guys you will be understand about this counter. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.